Hello, my karma babies. How are you? How are you? How are you today? Hey, thanks for joining me in some delicious, delicious homemade pizza. Yes, made homemade. Let me give you a little look at this. So you can see what it looks like. Look at that. Let's move that down on here. Look at that. Now that's a good thumbnail for a change, right guys? Oh my goodness. I can't wait to cut into this. I know it's still hot. I just took it out of the oven. Let's make sure you can see this. I'm going to cut my pizza. Okay. Got a big hunk of mozzarella there. I have peppers on here, tomatoes, mushrooms, spinach, onion. Oh, look at that. That's some delicious pizza there, boy. I'm telling you. Okay. Oh my goodness, so good. I'm sorry, guys. Because it's just too good. I have tomatoes. I forgot to put my olives on here. I love a cheesy pizza. That's mozzarella. If you want the recipe, I'll leave it. Okay, it's not hot now. Look at that. The juices from the tomatoes. So delicious. I'll come up for air. I like my pizza while it's hot though. So easy to make, guys. So easy. I'm going to make another one just like this one. So I'm going to put pepperoni and mushrooms on it. I put fresh cilantro in the pizza sauce. Makes it taste really good. No, fresh basil, not cilantro, basil. That's what I put in there. Oh my goodness. Let's get a hunk over here where this cheese is, right guys? Oh my goodness. Let's cut this. You know what, I want that piece over there. And cut this. I want that piece over there. I'm trying to get to where I want to go. My goodness. So guys, thanks for a couple of you guys said that you saw the commercial for Facebook. I'll share it with you guys as soon as I get the link. I haven't gotten anything, so look at this. Look at that. So today, was a busy day. Got up this morning. We worked in the yard. Oh my God. Grandpa Karma mowed the yard. It was wonderful. God is amazing in His grace and love. Guys, see? Did you see that tomato fall? I told you, just about every video that I do, something's going to happen. Something's going to fall. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I stacked so much mushrooms on here. They're good. Very good. You ever fold your pizza up like that? Oh, actually seriously. I'm being cheesy, right guys? Put this cheese back on here. So we worked in the yard, had Are you tired yet? You tired yet? You should be. You did a lot. You did the whole half the backyard and the front yard. That's a lot. Yeah, do something every day, you know? We don't have to do it all at one time. That's right. That's right. God is amazing. Thank you, Lord, for giving us the strength to get out here on this beautiful day and make a difference out here. It's very enjoyable. Very, very enjoyable. After that, Did not feel like anything really heavy. So this is perfect right here. Nothing heavy. Just wanted to come in and share this with you guys. A quick bite. I had 2 big old pieces. I ate almost a half of a large pizza. Yummy. Oh, I am full, guys. Those 2 big pieces of pizza did it for me. Sorry for the mess. But there you go. That was a lot of pizza, guys. So, guys, I want to thank you guys for coming, stopping, and having a quick bite with me. I've really enjoyed this pizza. I should make a pizza every week because when I do make them, I totally enjoy them. They're so easy to make. And you can kind of control some of the ingredients. Excuse me. You can control the ingredients because you're putting it on there. The peppers, you know, you get some organic peppers or get some peppers and, you know, clean them really, really good. And your fresh spinach and mushrooms and, you know, red onions and the red pepper, orange pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper. Oh my goodness. So good. And cut the slices the way that you want. Put the cheese on there the way that you want. So I've really enjoyed this, but I want you to remember how others treat you is their karma. How you respond is your karma. I want to thank you guys so much for coming into my home with me and sharing a meal with me, because this is what we're doing. We're sharing a meal. We're talking about things. It's consoling for me. It helps me. And I hope that it helps you in some way. Until my next videos, my karma babies, I love you guys. And I will see you in the next video.